It's offset. It's not synced. I'm just gonna have to use original back on track. When I'll just use this one.
Let's go.
Alright, I need to figure out how to make an elite box.
I need to figure out.
Elite. Search it up.
Elite.
Elite box.
Did you cancel the order on the server?
Yes.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Check your front door.
You. Oh my god, it's there! It's there!
Mama, no, I didn't mean to buy it. Why the fuck? There's so much terabytes on this. If I beat this, I become Mexican and Jewish. But only this attempt. Young, you gotta watch, I might actually beat it.
What?
Young, I just beat the level.
Wow.
Yay! I did it! This level ain't hard at all, bro. I already beat it before, but it's not a valid thing because I was playing on 960 FPS. Whatever.